Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Nono. Today we are gonna do some skincare. Basically, I got a PR package from SpoiledChild and they sent me like 8 different products, and I thought, let's do, what's it called? A full face? Yeah, a full face of first impressions. And I thought, why not share that with the team? If you haven't heard of SpoiledChild before, they are a skincare and hair care company, and they make amazing products. A lot of their whole thing is, you know, using refillable containers and just trying to be sustainable and environmentally aware. They really try and cater to exactly what you need. They have a whole system on their website called Spoiled Brain, where you can literally put in exactly what you're looking for, and they'll give you the products that are best for your skin or hair type. Anyways, this isn't an ad. I'm just gonna put that out there right now. I'm strictly making this because I thought it would be fun. These are just 4 of the many amazing products that we're gonna be trying out. This is the E27 Extra Strength Liquid Collagen Mango flavor. I'm just going to pour myself a little water. I have been using this for 2 years, 3 years. I need to say that this product is amazing and it's also delicious. I feel like collagen is something that everybody is aware that they should be taking, and this brand specifically, also the mango flavor, is like one of my favorites. Cool. What I love about this is that it's a hint of the flavor. You're not getting super sweet, sugary, like supplement. It's a hint of mango flavor. I love it. All right, second item. This is something I haven't tried yet, but I've seen on their website, and it is something that I've been wanting to try very, very badly. It's their J29 apple cider vinegar plus probiotic whoa, I don't know how to say that word. Nutraceutical gummies. You take 2 of these, must use daily, 2 gummies per day. Scoop, yum. Okay. Yo, these taste like Jolly Ranchers. But like not in a bad way, in the best way possible. These support gut health, energy metabolism, and immunity. There's apple cider vinegar, probiotics, B12, and folic acid. These are good. That's kind of dangerous. It would genuinely be hard for me to not eat these like candy. That is delicious. Those 2 products are very much for your internal health, making sure that like that's all stable so that you can work on your outside health. This product is the A22 Biotin Boost Hair Plus Scalp Serum. There's biotin, niacinamide, and rosemary oil. Now, obviously, I have these fierce braids in, but I thought there's no harm in putting it on my scalp. This product you spray onto your scalp on either dry or damp hair. You do 8 to 9 sprays directly on scalp. Massage in for 1 minute to distribute product evenly. Do not wash hair after application. Great, because I'm not doing that. 3, 4, ooh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First impression, this smells like rosemary. It's like light, it's fresh. I actually haven't had a product like this for my hair yet. I've gotten a lot of their hair masks in the past. So many products for your hair are often heavy or super scented, really, really intense smells. This is very, very light, and I love rosemary already. If you don't like rosemary, then it's just not for you. Anyways, I approve, survive, and it smells really good. Anything that doesn't have an intense smell, I'm honestly a big fan of. So all 3 of these are different serums and moisturizers from SpoiledChild that are for your face. Thinking that we should start with the serums. This here is the S22 Plus Anti-Aging Collagen Burst Serum. There are peptides in here, hyaluronic acid, lily cell extract. You apply this in the morning and at night onto a clean face, 1 to 2 pumps. I just love their packaging. I think it's so much fun. Basically, what's really cool about SpoiledChild is that when you get refills on any product, you get a new one of these, like a new tube of the product itself here, and you keep this glass container and you just keep refilling it. Like, you don't have to buy a whole new thing every single time. I love the smell of this one. I don't really know what the words would be to describe the scent, but it is also really light. It's not overpowering. The texture of this one is like a little bit more on the gooey side, but I guess, you know, it's a serum. So I feel like between this collagen and this collagen, like the skin has to be skinning. And it's not just the face, it's the full body too. It's the full body too. Period. Now this product is the H30 Fibroquin. Ooh. These words are like, it's giving science. Fibroquin Advanced Firming Eye Cream. There's Fibroquin, which I believe I'm saying correctly, retinoid peptides, and is fragrance free. That is so cute. Just do a little 2 squirts of that onto the eyes. We're gonna dab this in. I mean, it's really, really gentle and soft. I feel like sometimes a cream can like be hard to lather, but this is obviously moving across the skin really, really easily. And like, I rarely invest in an eye cream. Maybe it's because I haven't found one that I'm obsessed with yet. I don't know, but this is really nice. I'm a fan. This here is the O36 Plus Anti-Aging Triple Peptide Moisturizer. There's peptides, hyaluronic acid, fatty acids, meadow foam. What is that? Apply onto clean face, neck, period. Décolletage, which if you don't know what that is, it's right here. There we go. All right. Scoop, scoop. Honestly, how can I describe the smell? I mean, first and foremost, this feels amazing on the skin. It's not too thick, but there is a thickness to it. It really feels like you're putting on a layer of protection. And I think anything with hyaluronic acid, I'm obsessed with. Hyaluronic acid is so good for your skin. It's super moisturizing. Similar thing to the serum that I put on, where I couldn't really put a name to the smell, but it smells clean, but not chemical clean. But obsessed. Oh my God, am I gonna say I'm obsessed about every single product? I'm not saying I'm obsessed just because. I actually really love SpoiledChild a lot. That's my salad.
Hello. Caesar salad?
Yes. Caesar Salazar. Where was I? Yeah, I'm not saying that I enjoy these products just to say that I enjoy these products. I actually really do love this company. I think that they stand for really good things. Okay, second to last product, so hold on tight, sister. This is the L28 Anti-Aging Restoring Moisturizer. More hyaluronic acid. Aloe. So if you have maybe even scarring, but also just like burns or something like that, maybe this would be a safe bet. I'm just speculating, but aloe is really good for that. Squalane, don't know what that is. And peptides. Boom. There she is. This one is going on like this. This one actually has more of like a rosy smell. Again, very light. Oh Lord, that feels real nice. Yep, I am a fan. She is a fan. Wop dee dee dee. Scoop boo boo. Just such gentle, non-harsh product. Okay, this is the last thing. Actually, it's kind of the second to last. This product is the Hydro Lock Overnight Lip Mask, and I've been using this for a very long time. They've had this product for a very long time. I use it in the daytime and not just at nighttime. However, this bad boy is the K30 Hydro Cushion Lip Oil. You can use this obviously at any time as well, but like once you line your lips, ooh. Yeah, I recently tried this one a couple months ago, and I just actually got rid of my like I threw my other one away. This is perfect. Restocked. Yeah, sheer rose, so it has like a rosy scent. Anyways, guys, these are some of the products that we tried today. I hope that you found this somewhat informative. I just love skincare, so anytime I get a chance to try something new and or get restocked on something like the liquid collagen that I love so much, I get really excited. If you found this helpful or just enjoyed hanging out, like and subscribe. That would be freaking fierce. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you later. You're the best. Big heart, little hearts. I'll see you in my next video.